Mukul Sangma today strongly criticized the National People's Party-led Meghalaya Democratic Alliance for its lackadaisical attitude to impress on the Centre for the ILP implementation in the state. Addressing media persons at Congress Bhawan in Shillong, Dr. Sangma said that the state government is yet to wake up from deep slumber to get the ILP implemented in the state. He said the government was pulled up by the opposition in the last assembly session relating to implementation of ILP in the state.
Now, all the political parties who are part of the 60-member House, including the independents, we have adopted a unanimous resolution, which was a government resolution. And while tabling the resolution, the assurance of the government was that the state government will take upon itself the responsibility of prevailing upon the government of India to implement ILP in respect of Meghalaya. Meaning, Meghalaya will be brought under the purview of Eastern Frontier Bengal Regulation 1873. So that was the part of the assurance given to the people of the state. Any assurance in the floor of the House is an assurance for the people as a whole. And we have stood firmly together because, unlike in the past, we feel that the apprehension perceived by the people of the state and the region after the enactment of CAA is genuine, and therefore there is a necessity to have in place the provision of the said act, in other words, implementation of ILP, to address the concern pertaining to influx and illegal immigration.